and welcome to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and I have everybody with me today. Katie and Sophie back there. Sophie, what are we doing today?
Going to Charlotte.
Yeah, we are. We're going to Charlotte. We're going to Charlotte for Sophie's birthday. Sophie's birthday is actually on Saturday, but that is the Saturday before Christmas, and we were too scared to try to attempt Charlotte the day before Christmas, or the Saturday before Christmas, so we decided to go today. It's a Monday. This is our first week off of school, but around here, public school is still in until towards the end of the week. So we were hoping it wouldn't be too bad. So we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna take Sophie. Where are we taking you?
American Girl doll store.
Sophie's going to the American Girl doll store to pick out something for her birthday, and we're also going to the McAdenville lights. What you got, Sophie?
Not looking good.
We just went through Chick-fil-A drive-through, got some breakfast. We were running late. It's already almost 9:30. We were planning to leave at 9, and then we forgot to set the alarm. We had some packages that we had to deliver. We had to put gas in the car, but we're finally on the way. Katie, what'd you get?
Chicken biscuit.
Yeah, we got chicken biscuits. Here we go. How old are you gonna be on Saturday, Sophie? 8 years old.
Yeah.
Are you a big girl now?
Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho.
Which one do you like, Sophie?
We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
Happy anniversary, Gary.
But you got me along too.
And I have this little one too. And a new baby that needs a name. Comment down below if you want to help Sophie name the baby. Did you have a good day? Yes. What are we going to do tonight? We're going to look at the Christmas lights. That's right. Katie, do you remember going there before? You don't remember? This is commemorating one of our first dates. We went to McAdenville, remember? Not our first day, but one of our first dates. You remember going there when we were dating?
To McAdenville?
Yeah.
Vaguely.
Do you remember taking Katie when she was little one time? Because this will be our third time going.
No, I don't. We had to go to the Verizon store. something.
I don't remember that.
Something happened to somebody's phone when they got Verizon that night.
Oh, I remember taking Katie to some kind of play up there.
That was a new way to get it.
Yeah. I remember taking her. So she was like 3rd grade maybe. And then we went to McAdenville.
So I got 2 things that I've been wanting for a long time. I got one of these backpacks that no one can ever pronounce the name of correctly. And I also bought a lot of things from Lush, and I think Lush is my new favorite place.
Look at all the Sophies. I see a bunch of Sophies.
Wait, Mom. Here is the problem with this place. There are 2 whole pages of cheesecakes, and then about 20 pages of any kind of food that you would ever want here.
Yeah, we've tried to eat here before, but we've never been able to actually get in.
Because there's always been like a 2-hour wait. But
Yeah, at
today
least.
there was only a 10-minute wait.
Marinara sauce with bow tie pasta. What'd you get, Gary?
Louisiana chicken pasta.
Louisiana chicken pasta? Katie and I got 4-cheese pasta. Sophie, why don't you want any cheesecake?
I don't eat cheesecake.
You did last time. You liked it. You had an Oreo kind.
And you loved it.
What did you get, Gary? Turtle? What kind of cheesecake did you get?
Hershey's chocolate bar cheesecake.
I got vanilla bean. Okay, it's about 3:38 and we're leaving this mall. This is South Park, right? So it was actually much better than the last time we went to South Park Mall. Last time it was like super crowded and honestly a little scary feeling. But today we went while everybody was still in school and at work, and it just really wasn't that bad. So Sophie, show them your baby with her hat and shoes. You see it? There she is. Yeah, so Sophie got her baby. We did that first. We went to American Girl and let her pick out her baby doll, and she got to pick out an outfit. And her grandparents had given her some money, so she got a little doll outfit and also a baby carrier without money. And we didn't allow her to put the shoes or the hat on the baby while we were walking around the mall because we just knew that they would get lost because we've, been down that road before. So she was like super excited to get back to the car so that she could put the shoes and the hat on the doll. We went to Cheesecake Factory for lunch. Today is our anniversary. It's our 19th, is that right?
Yep.
19th wedding anniversary. So we were already planning to go to Cheesecake Factory today anyway, but happy anniversary to us. It was really good. And we forgot to show you the cheesecake, but we did have cheesecake. Gary got the, what was it called?
Caramel turtle pecan.
Okay, and I got the vanilla bean. Well, I kind of showed the remnants because we kind of dug into it. And I had the vanilla bean, which I had never tried before, and I thought was really good. It was like super light compared to most of their cheesecakes. And Katie had the it was something like
Hershey's chocolate cheesecake.
Hershey chocolate. And Sophie did not want to try anything. She didn't want to order anything, and she didn't want to try anything. And
She's probably smart.
so we kind of felt bad about Sophie not even wanting to try anybody's, but they had like an apple, some kind of apple crisp dessert, and we thought she might like that, but she didn't even let us order that for her, and she didn't have a bite of anybody. So hey, baby. Oh, she looks pretty in her sleeper.
Yeah.
So when you buy a bitty baby, you get to pick out a sleeper too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting.
We just wanted to say thank you so much for your support of our channel. We recently reached 1,000 subscribers and we really appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.